Hello students. Now here sin A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A, cot A, and 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Now this table has the values of sin 0 degrees, sin 30 degrees, sin 45 degrees. Instead of A, you have to keep these values: sin 60 degrees, sin 90 degrees. So first we will fill this uh, column, row. Sin 0 degrees is 0. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So sin 60 degrees, root 3 belongs to opposite side of theta, by 2 belongs to hypotenuse. Sin 90 is 1. So both the that means the ratio is 1. If sine values are like this: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1, just reverse it for the cos. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and 1 by 2, and 0. So simply by remembering sine values, we can fill cos values also. And we have one relation, that is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Therefore, with this relation, we will fill tan values. Okay, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, sin theta by cos theta, 0 by 1. So 0 will be 1 ratio, that means it will be 0. Now this is numerator, sin theta by cos theta, this is denominator. At both the denominators will be cancelled. So 1 by root 3 we will get. And here this is a numerator, sin theta by cos theta, numerator by denominator, both are same. Therefore we will get 1. It's a unit fraction. Now here root 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So denominators, two denominators will cancel. Root 3 by 1, that is root 3. Now 1 by 0. Whenever we have denominator 0, this is undefined. Okay. When we got tan theta values, just reverse it here. Cot theta undefined, root 3, 1, reverse of the tan, 1 by root 3, and 0. If you get sin theta, you can write cos theta. By using relation tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, you can create tan theta. If you can write tan theta, just you reverse it, you can write down cot theta. Now only two are there, we will see. So again we have to recall one more identity, that is sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta, or cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So to get the values of cosecant theta, we should reciprocal of sin theta values for every angle. So 0 0 can be reciprocal as 1 by 0. So at the denominator we have 0. Therefore, it starts with undefined. Here you can see 1 by 0. 1 by 0 means at the denominator we have 0. Therefore, it is undefined. Therefore, sign 0 and 1 by 0 is undefined. 1 by 2 can be written as 2 by 1. 2. 1 by root 2 can be written as root 2. Root 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by root 3. And 1 reciprocal is 1. So when you get cosecant, just you reverse it for the secant. So this 90 will be the 0 for this, and 2 by root 3, root 2 and 2 and undefined. This is the way we can create all the values of ratios 0 to 90. I will repeat. You have to remember this line. 0, sin 0 is equal to 0. Sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is equal to 1. When you remember this one, you can automatically fill the cos values reversing the sin values. So just you take it in the same order of reversing. Now tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. So this is numerator by denominator. Here you can see fraction, numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator, numerator by denominator, same way and the same way. But you have to check which can cancel, which cannot cancel. 0 by 1 is 0. So here 2 can cancel. Here both numerator denominator are unit, same. Therefore you will get unit fraction. So 2 will cancel, root 3 can be written here. 1 by 0, that is undefined. So when you get a tan theta, fill it in reverse order to cot theta. So undefined, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, 0. But and the okay, the third one, next one is cosecant theta. So cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. So take the sin theta, just reciprocal it, the fraction. So here you should not come confused. 0, that means 1 by 0, reciprocal. So here denominator got 0, therefore it is undefined. Write down. So just you can reciprocal the fraction, you can write down. After filling the cosecant theta, reverse it and you can write secant theta. So this table is important, and the same way it helps us to solve so many problems from 8.2 exercise. Thank you.